If you want to learn how to create a straight line in Pixlr quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to draw a clean straight line on your canvas using Pixlr, and I'll also show you the simple shortcut that makes the process even faster. This is great for designs, layouts, borders, mock-ups, or any project where you need a precise line instead of a freehand stroke. If this video helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr and make sure you're working inside your project or canvas. Once you're in the editor, the fastest way to get started is by pressing U on your keyboard. That instantly selects the Shapes tool, which is where you'll find the Line option. This shortcut saves time and gets you to the right tool much faster than searching through menus manually. After selecting the Shapes tool, look at the top menu bar. You'll see the different shape options available, and from there, choose Line. This tells Pixlr that instead of drawing a rectangle, circle, or another shape, you want to create a straight line. It's an important step because the Line tool gives you a more controlled and precise result. Now that the Line tool is active, go onto your canvas, click and drag to draw your line. As you move your mouse, Pixlr will show the line forming in real time. You can draw it in any direction you want, whether that's left to right, top to bottom, or diagonally across the page. Just release the mouse when the line is the length you want. If you want the line to stay perfectly straight in a fixed direction, hold Shift while dragging. This is the key trick for making sure your line locks into a perfectly horizontal or vertical position. That means, if you want a neat divider, a clean underline, or a perfectly aligned design element, Shift makes it much easier to control. Once your line is drawn, you can usually adjust its appearance depending on the options available in Pixlr. For example, you may want to change the thickness, color, or style so it fits your design better. A thicker line can stand out more in a graphic, while a thin line can work well for subtle separators. The exact look you choose depends on what you're creating. And that's really all there is to it. Press U to open the Shapes tool, select Line from the top menu, click and drag on the canvas, and hold Shift if you want a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical line. It's a simple process, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time in Pixlr. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and helpful design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.